Okay, so today the tutorial I'm going to do for you guys is going to be another waver tutorial, but this time I'm going to use this one. I got it off of Amazon. It was super cheap. It's by Allure, and this one is basically just like a 3-barrel crimper. So I'm going to do that one today. I've actually never done that one before or used it, so I'm going to do it the first time with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair out. Now, one of the things that you want when you have extensions is you're going to want to go from the bottom all the way up and get out any of the snarls or tangles that you have, and get your hair, if your hair is anything like mine, you're going to get it nice and fluffy. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair. Okay, so this bottom part is all that's going to be left out of the clips. And again, I'm gonna brush it because my hair gets tangly so many times, and I'm gonna brush it down. And so one of the things that's really important is I prepped my hair when I washed it. I used a smoothing serum by Loma. It's a smoothing cream. And I put that in my hair when it's wet and blow dried it into the hair. It has a really great heat protectant in it. And then I'm just gonna go through and spray it a little bit with some texturizing spray. And then that'll be it as far as the prep work. And then I'll go through the finishing afterwards. So this is a thermal heat protectant by TG. I'm gonna use that just to kind of run it through my hair. And then also it helps set the curl. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna grab a smaller piece just because it's the bottom, and you wanna make sure that it is horizontal to your head. So I'm gonna go through and clamp. And then I'm gonna hold it, and then I'm going to move my way down after I hold it for just a couple of seconds. And then again, like the other crimper tutorial, if you've seen it, you want this barrel, when you move it down, to end up in the same spot as the bottom barrel. And then towards the end, you're just going to actually leave it. Okay, so now that we're at the top, I'm gonna brush back everything. So I'm gonna part my hair where I naturally part, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing. Spray it with the heat protectant. Just a couple of pumps working the way down, and then brush it through. Okay, so this one I'm gonna angle back because it's going more towards the back, but I'm still gonna try and keep it as horizontal to my head as possible. Okay, so I sectioned out this front part of my hair because this is the part that's like the most important. This is what I'm gonna see when I look in the mirror. This is what everybody's gonna see on me. And it's kind of the part that frames my face. So I'm gonna actually bring it forward this way. We're gonna try it, I've never done this before. with this. So I'm gonna actually bring it opposite. And I'm going to, instead of just clamping down right here, I'm actually gonna put it down and then I'm gonna pull it a little bit just to give my roots a little bit of slack. So it's not like super wavy right up at my face. And then one more little cramp down, and then I'm going to pull it through. And then that way it's crimped right. It's not super, super crimped in my bang area, but it's just crimped right over. And then by angling a little bit, you can see that instead of horizontal like the rest, it's going to kind of slide away from my face into the other pieces. And then I'm just gonna go through and I'm just gonna touch up any pieces that I don't particularly like that didn't get as crimped all the way. Or maybe just blend it with that other one. See how like the crimp will start about right here. I'm going to crimp it so that it blends. There we go. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Kevin Murphy. This is seriously becoming one of my favorite lines. I'm going to take the Kevin Murphy, the bedroom hair, flexible hairspray, and I'm going to lift up around my face, give it a little extra volume around my face. Spray it. Take some of the Formula 18, the Shine Spray. Another one that I like is the Color Luster Oil by TG. And then the other one that I like is Olaplex. So we're gonna run it through our fingers. It's probably only gonna be like a dime size amount, nickel size amount. We'll start at the bottom, work your way up, and then just kind of comb through with your fingers and make sure that everything is styling the way that you want it. And then this piece is really bothering me for some reason, so I'm just going to crimp it. There we go, better. Okay, so this is my waver tutorial with the different waver. I would say that this one is more of a crimper, and just see the difference in this one is shorter, crimping from one end to the other, while this one is a little bit wider. So you're gonna get more of the the wavy, loose waves, kind of barely there waves, versus this one is gonna be a little bit more tight and a little bit more 80s style, which obviously is fun as well. So that is my crimper tutorial for you guys today, or my waver tutorial for you guys today. I really enjoy this look. I think it's super fun, and it's super easy. For me, it takes less time than a traditional curling iron to do. You could also see in one of my other tutorials, a touch-up tutorial, that you can even play around and blend both of them together, curl it and crimp it at the same time. So that's super fun. That's a super fun option as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. So if you are interested in natural beaded rose extensions, go ahead and click the link in my bio. There's just a form that I need you to fill out, and then we can get started. I hope you guys all have a great day, and let me know what you think. All right, have a good day, you guys. Bye.